Hey, J-Bro's popping in here. Yeah, we had a few rain days in there, but still able to get some stuff done. Right now, I've got this all packed, prepped, ready for stone. I'm gonna get a little bit of this flattening out here quick. Then I'm gonna scrape my bucket clean, get some gravel, put it right about here, and then start laying stones. So yeah, let's see what we can do here in a short bit. I wanted to say too, there's my Chinese motor for the packer, so that worked great for packing this. But anyway, I'm gonna drop some gravel over here, get this going to the next level. normally for your paving stone edger, you'd want a straight edge, but this is what I got here on hand. It does the same stuff, it just would be easier if it is straight, but I got a board here where I'll straighten it out and put it down. Well, that didn't go too bad. When you have a flat base, it goes pretty good. And like normal, a couple stones here, like this one broke when I was doing the final tamping. Another one broke right there, so those will have to get popped up. And then of course I'm short of stones because the original cutout was supposed to be 10 by 10, and then when they went to cut this strip out, because there was a crack there in the concrete, and then there was somewhere over here, they ended up cutting another foot over for the to get a nicer cut on the existing concrete. But overall, I mean, you know, is it exact what a person had wished or whatnot? I don't know. Pretty good in my opinion. This patio stone, it comes in a pallet and it's like 400 bucks. And then a pattern just comes pre-laid out on there, and that's kind of what the pattern instructions that you're looking at. Pretty straightforward, and you can obviously, you know, get it figured out to whatever size you want. You know, you can add a foot, take off a foot, you know, and you can do it all different directions. But it is a 10 by 10, but you can make it kind of anything you want it to be. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at today. I'm going to take these home, mark these out, and just grind out around here so I can get that to look pretty right there. But other than that, yeah, I think it went pretty good. Yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.